Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here at Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Got an exciting video for you today. This video is purely Hexagon. We're only talking about Hex and Hex ecosystem. All right. But before we do that, I got to remind you, I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. Now, with that said, here we go. Hit that like button, guys. I need each and every one of you to hit that like button. That way YouTube knows to send more traffic to my channel. And if you already hit the like button, subscribe. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. All right. Now, let's go ahead and get started, guys. Let's take a look at the market today. I decided to go with something different today. I went with Coin 360. I said I would boycott them, but since Richard Hart uses it, I figure I should probably start using it again. Doesn't do the true placement of Hex. As you can see, Hex should be in the number 12 spot, number 12, number 13, but of course on this they have it placed way back on another page. But anyway, so I just want a different backdrop, but that's enough babbling from me. All right, guys, let's take a look at Hex, see what Hex looks like. All right, today is June the 22nd, 2022. HEX Daily Stat Report. Let's see, HEX price is currently going for 4 cents. T-share price is 922 US dollars. T-share rate is 22,816 HEX. Payout per T-share is 6.149 HEX. Penalties is for 400.3 HEX. Sorry about that. Liquidity for HEX is 151.5 million HEX. Liquidity USDC 9.7 million USD, and liquidity ETH is 1.1 ETH. All right, guys. Now let's go ahead and jump over here, and we'll take a look at HEX right now. Before we look at HEX, I'm going to show you one quick thing with Bitcoin, and then we want to keep it moving. Bitcoin here, you can see right now, Bitcoin is currently, it broke through the resistance point here, support level here, should I say, and that was at 19,110. I went ahead and put a new one in for you guys to start focusing on, which is 16,392. It's a strong possibility that Bitcoin could be dropping as low as 10,000 before this is all said and done. But remember this, guys, it's a buying opportunity. Don't think about 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Think up to 3 to 5 years, and you can't go wrong. 3 years is extreme, and it's going to be sooner than that, honestly. All right. All right, let's take a look over here at HEX. Now, okay, now I drew this sideways wedge the other day, and you can see it bounced on the bottom like it was going to go south, but actually it went bullish on us. But right now, it broke through the initial wedge, which is good, the purple triangle going sideways. But then I had the sideways rectangle wedge going here, and it broke through both, and it got all the way up to like almost 5 cents. Did it get to 5? Just shy of 5 cents. But right now it's bouncing right around inside of here. So to me, I'm the kind of trader or investor where I don't really feel it's broken through this point yet. So there's a strong possibility we could turn around and see Hex still pull backwards and go south. I'm not really ready to scrap this wedge out yet because it's still inside of this yellow territory here, my backup secondary point. And right now it's sitting right here. Now, has Hex made great advancements? Oh, heck yeah. Just on the 18th, it was down to 3 cents, under 3 cents, and now we're sitting at 4 cents. I'll take it. Don't take me wrong. I just was hoping that we would get some action up here. Maybe address this, go after this 5 cent resistance point. But only time will tell. And you look down here, the volume looks pretty low, guys. It's nothing special at all. The volume's very low for Hex. All right, so we're going to take a look at this chart. We're going to start with the bottom, work our way up. We'll see that with the RSI down here, Hex is on the overbought side of things currently. The MACD is showing it. It's bullish, but it looks like it's about to cross over to bearish tendencies. Remember, this lags behind the market, so there's nothing to worry too much about. Now, using a VRVP right here off this automatic volume chart, it establishes the high volume points. And you'll see that going back to what date? Let me get the date in here. All right, back to June 1st, you'll see that it has a support level sitting currently at 0.027, 0.028, somewhere in that range. The primary support level currently is sitting right here at 3 cents, a little bit over, like 0.031 cents. Now, within the Bollinger Bands right here, it has it actually approaching neutral. So yeah, because HEX is pulling back into the neutral territory here. So this is actually showing me that it's losing that bullish sentiment that I was just referring to here. And both of these are saying, because this is a bearish indicator, and this also is a bearish indicator because it's pulling back down to neutral territory. This is about to cross over from being bullish, and the RSI is pulling back. So that's actually two bearish, guys. Two bearish indicators. Now let's take a look here with the market cipher chart on the 2-hour chart. Market cipher chart is very bullish still. It looks very strong. That's a good thing. That's something in HEX's favor. Let's drop it down to a 2-hour chart, and 2-hour chart has a short sell signal going on right there. So it looks like there's a strong possibility that you're going to see HEX start pulling back. And let's go over here. Now this is good for once. On a 4-hour chart, Ichimoku is actually predicting some bullishness in the future, the next 4 days into the future with HEX. Let's go ahead and look at this on a daily chart, and it's probably completely bullish. Yes, it is. All right, let's take a look at here at HEX with the exponential moving average chart here, and the exponential. Wow, look at that glare. I gotta get this lighting right. Oh well. And maybe I'll turn it down a little bit. Now it's dark. Whatever. All right. So with the exponential moving average here, it looks like HEX is starting to pull back down into this wedge, but it does still have strong support. So this is actually a bullish signal sign. The moving averages actually has a very bullish good sign here. You see that purple, it's a 20-day moving average. It just crossed over to 50 and it's approaching 100. That is the best moving average I've seen HEX do in a while. That is actually something to be excited about. And then we got, okay, so with HEX, let's jump backwards real quick, guys. Bearish, one bearish, two bearish, two bearish, one bullish. We'll go with a bullish, two bearish, two bullishes, and three bullish, four bullish. So we got 4 bullish charts pointing to 2 bearish charts. So with that said, you got to follow your gut. It has pulled back a little bit, 2.8%. So what I say, 4 bullish and 2 bearish. That's kind of where I'm seeing HEX right now. So it's still technically bullish, but I am starting to see it doing a little bit of pullback. But you got to remember, Bitcoin's pulling back too right now. And I can't wait till HEX decouples itself from Bitcoin again. Life is so much happier. All right, so let's take a quick look at Hedron today, guys. Hedron is, let's just say it shocked the heck out of me. Hedron's up 39.7%. Now it means that it's up to a whopping 0.0000000. I think there's one more 0, 4676. All right, but it's still a very positive movement for Hedron. It is overbought right now. MACD has it extremely bullish. The primary support level currently will be sitting at 2348. The absolute bottom will be, we'll just say 1782. You guys get the drift there. But yeah, this is absolutely awesome for Hedron. And if you look at Hedron with the market cipher chart here, extremely bullish. Change for previous trend with this spike, long signal, and to the moon. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, so let's take a look here at PulseDogeCoin. Yes, I'm moving on to PulseDogeCoin because they are in trading view. They are winning the wars. It is what it is. The RSI is in neutral territory. It's not overbought or oversold. The MACD is going bearish. And if we look up here, you'll see that, open this chart up a little bit more. The primary support level for it currently is going to be, the strongest support volume level is going to be at 1.87 cents US dollar. It is currently appearing to be actually going on the oversold side ever so slightly. I'm going to say it's neutral right now, so I'm just going to say it falls in line with the RSI down here, the Bollinger Bands. with just being neutral from overbought or oversold. I think that's a safer analysis there. All right, then let's take a peek over here for PulseDogeCoin, and it is pretty bullish still. That is a very bullish chart right here. That's definitely bullish. Now let's look at it under the 2-hour frame. 2-hour frame, not so bullish. 2-hour frame is indicating a significant pullback. You got the blood diamond and the sell signal. Usually that's a significant pullback, so we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. All right, guys, like I said, this is going to be a short HEX video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe and hit the little bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And make sure you hit the like button and leave comments. Until next time, stay Hexican and stay blessed.